9 minutes.
9 minutes?
Yeah.
It says recording. Maybe I didn't get any of the other stuff. It says rec now.
Which part of Northern Ontario?
Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh. Newmarket, okay.
Sorry if anybody's watching this on YouTube, but I'm sorry for spinning the camera on you like that, but I just watched the most amazing opening ceremonies probably ever because they were so emotional and sweet and full of love because our country loves our country. We all love being here. It's the best country to live in, really. Anybody else listening to this, believe me, it's the best country to live in. Hate is minimal, love is abound. People say thank you, people say please. People get on my bus, I'm a bus driver, but when they leave they say thank you. It's so Canada. Canada, I love you. Ooh. Ah. Oh. Alistair is just berating the security guide that they should have given more warning about this beautiful thing that most people are missing because they're inside their homes watching television. But I can't believe I'm watching this right now. Thank you. Thank you, Van Ock. Thank you, IOC. This is amazing. Please give us some money. I'm going to turn the camera again, so be prepared. I'm going to go back to the convention center. There's the convention center. I think I'm on the end of Jervis Street. There's the Olympic cauldron. I'm going to go back to the water. Oh, corporate America, look, Chevron station. Oh, Olympic rinks in behind the corporate Chevron station sign. You know, I put on a t-shirt and some running shoes. I'm kind of cold. It is February, but, you know, not bad. It's Vancouver. There's a wind whipping off the ocean. I think it's, maybe 6. Oh, that was a loud one. 6 or 7 degrees. Oh, that one's a pretty, oh, look at all those big boomers. Oh, nice red ones. There's nothing more boring than watching a fireworks show on YouTube. What do you guys think? Can you pretend like you were here? Can you pretend you're hearing ooh-ah-oh behind me? Oh, did you just hear all those girls going, oh! After I said that? That was a loud one. Did you hear that one? Woo, 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 woo. Say hi to YouTube! YouTube! Hey, YouTube!
Look at Vancouver! Woo!
I didn't think my battery had this much power left in it, so yay for the world. Wow, I didn't think they made those color ones. You know, it's really hard to hold your camera steady while you're trying to watch fireworks out in the middle of an ocean. I apologize profusely. I don't even, hey, can you hear me? I don't even know if you can hear me. Say hi, Al.
Hi.
Say bye, Bill. Bye.